is Useless Builds, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the headlights on your car. What's up guys, I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to adjust the headlight levels. So as you can see, I got my right beam is like super low here and my left beam is really high. So these are just my regular headlights. We'll adjust the high beams in a second, but we're going to start with the regular headlights. And your car is going to be a little different. This is how I do it on my car, but some cars have just like, you'll find like a Phillips head or something. Like, see, here's one where I can actually adjust the lights, but the bulbs and stuff are adjusted by this screw here. You're going to have different adjustments here. So this is for my high beam here. I have adjustment here, and then I have another adjustment that's up under here to adjust my high beam. I believe one turns it and one lifts it up and down, and then you have the same here. You have this one goes up and down, and the one that adjusts the side to side I think is down in the corner, but my side to side is pretty good, so I just need to do up and down. So we'll adjust this side. I kind of want it to get a little higher, so what I'll do is I'll take my little ratchet here and spin this, and you'll watch as the headlight will start to raise up. Now you may be able to see it in the actual headlight itself. Yeah, you can see it. So I'm actually aiming the projector up higher. Now you can only go so high before it's going to hit this lid right here. There's a lid there, you know, kind of keep it from blinding traffic essentially, but you can continue to go up and your car will blind the heck out of people. But I kind of just want to get these on a nice level ground here. So that looks pretty good. I still have light in front of my car, and then let me hit my, yeah, so I still have good light in front of my car, and then it's shining the light on the door there. I don't know if I need to mess with this side a whole lot. Yeah, I think this side's pretty good actually. I think I'm going to leave it right there. But now let's turn the high beams on and we'll adjust the high beam. So I actually put a zip tie on here. Can't really see it, but I put a zip tie so I can have just my high beams on. So I don't have my low beams going too, because I want to be able to see the high beams better, because the high beams are a different style bulb. So they're not actually as bright as my low beams. So now you want to figure out which one is the height versus the side to side. This one I'm messing with now is my actual height. I'm actually bringing the bulb down a little bit. So that's pretty good. The other side looks like it's actually really good, so set this guy down for you here. Man, these sirens are killing me tonight. Holy cow. Must be something serious going on. No, I'm pretty happy with that. That looks pretty good. I would have to turn the car around and shine it further to see, because obviously you don't want to set the high beams, you know, this close. You want them to be further away. Alright, so I got another headlight here. This is a Mark V Jetta headlight, and this is the adjustment for the low beam. I actually don't see an adjustment for the high beam on this one, which it may not actually have a high beam adjustment on this light. But the low beam adjustment is right here, and let me show you exactly how this works. So you just, it takes a 6mm Allen. I put it on a socket, or on an impact, just so you can see it move a little bit quicker. But let me get the camera set up and show you inside of it, so you can watch this thing move as I spin it in or out. So see how it pulls the headlight down? So it's aiming the headlight down when I go reverse, but when I go forward, it actually pushes the headlight up at an angle. So this is things to look for when you're doing your headlight adjustment. Like I said, every headlight's going to be different. This kind of shows you Mark 4 or Mark 5 and a Mark 6. But yeah, so you want to find your adjustment screw, make some simple adjustments to see which way you're going and which way you want to go to figure it out. And you can fine-tune your headlight adjustment. I'm sick of sweating, so I'm going to go inside. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more videos like this. Just a little simple, quick one I wanted to do. Still trying to stick to my daily uploads. I know I've been doing a lot of shorts, but the shorts help, boost the channel more. So I'm going to keep doing my shorts and my long videos.